Hello. Now in this session I will discuss the techniques in manual testing. So several techniques are employed in manual testing to enhance its effectiveness. First, exploratory testing. Second, ad hoc testing. Third, equivalence partitioning. Fourth, boundary value analysis. Fifth, decision table testing. Sixth, state transition testing. Seventh, error guessing. So, what is the exploratory testing? Already, I have discussed what is the exploratory testing. You can see the before session. So, what is the exploratory testing? Exploratory testing is the when tester testing the products or at simultaneously gain product internal product knowledge. Okay, when tester testing the product simultaneously, tester gain internal product knowledge, and after writing the test cases simultaneously when gain the knowledge and when testing the product. Okay, so set this tab instead. This is the product. This is the testing team tester. So tester not have any SOW plan, any Figma design. Yeah, don't have anything. So what will do tester? So tester for that time just going to the product and tester will gain internal product knowledge. Tester will gain internal product knowledge when tester does not have any SOW plan or Figma design, and after that tester will write the test case, okay, test plan. So this is the exploratory testing. So when does not have any SOW, any plan, any Figma design, that time tester will gain the internal product knowledge. Simultaneously, tester will make the test case, test plan, Figma design. This is the exploratory test. Okay, next. What is the definition of exploratory testing? Involves exploring the application without predefined test cases, allowing testers to discover defects through creative and spontaneous testing. Okay. Next, ad hoc testing. Ad hoc testing is informal testing when tester does not have any document, any plan, any SOW, any Figma design, and after testing, tester should not make the any document or plan or report or test case That is called the ad hoc testing. When we will do the ad hoc testing, we will do ad hoc testing the at the time of acceptance testing. Who will do the ad hoc testing? End user will do the ad hoc testing. So what is the ad hoc testing? When tester will test after does not require any make the any documentation or any report, that is the ad hoc testing. Who will do ad hoc testing? End user will do ad hoc testing. When we will do the ad hoc testing, acceptance testing time we will do the ad hoc testing. Okay, so informal testing without a structure approach relying on testers intuition and experience. Understand? So share in this tab ad hoc testing, ad hoc testing, tester plan, report, document. This is not required for ad hoc testing. Okay, what is equivalence partitioning? Equivalence partitioning is already I have said it is the dividing input data of equivalence partitions and testing one representative from each partition. Dividing input data of each partitions and we will the test one representative from each partition. Okay, keep it in mind and understand. Dividing input data means my input data I divide of equivalent partitions means same partition. Dividing input data equivalence partitions and each partitions one representative from each partitions to reduce the number of test cases. Okay, dividing input data of equivalence partitions and each partitions representative representative from each partitions to reduce the number of test cases. Okay, so suppose this is my test field. It is the actually test case design technique does not have combination any internal product knowledge. This is the text box. Okay, and this text box have only 1 to 500 1 to 500 number accept only. Okay, so this text box will allow 1 to 500 any number. Okay, so how you will do? You will test each number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, rest of the number of 500. This will be waste of time. Okay, this will be waste of time. So what you will do actually, you will input the divided data of equivalence partitions, and each partitions represents the minimum number of input data for reduce the test case. Okay, and when this is used for test case design technique. So 1 to 500 it's my required. Okay, 1 to 500 it's my required. Now I divided the data 1 to 100. 100, 1 to 200, 200, 1 to 300, 300, 1 to 400, 400, 1 to 500. Now I will enter from 1 to 100, suppose 33, 54, 89. This three number I will input. 100, 1 to 110, 145, 189. Okay, 200, 1 to 220, 244, 278, 330, 331, and 33, 33, 387, 444, 478, 492. Those number I will enter. If this number is accepted, so I will say my test case is pass, and developer write the code properly with customer expectation. Okay, and if any number is not taking, so I will say test case is failed and I will pass to the development team for fixing. Understand? Okay. Next, what is the boundary value analysis? Boundary of input ranges of identify defects. This is the boundary value analysis. What is the definition of boundary value analysis? Testing the boundaries of input ranges to identify defects at the edge cases. Means I tested for the explore equivalence partition. I will input the internal number, but for boundary I will input only boundary ranges number. Understand? So both are example of black box testing for test case design technique. This is the QLS partition, and now I will save 1 to 500 number. Text field, text field, and I have a number 1 to 500. Okay, so I will test boundary 1 to 500. I will not test internal number. I will just test boundary number. Okay, so what is the boundary number? This have one uh, formula a a plus a plus 1 a minus 1 and b plus 1 b minus 1. This is the formula. Okay, and now I'll test. Suppose 1 is the a, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, just 3. Next for b, 500 500 plus 1 is equal to 501, 500 minus 1 is equal to 499. So just this six scenario I will test, and if 1 and 2 is accept, so I will say the test case is pass. If 0 is accept, so I will say test case is fail. Understand? For a, if 1 and 2 is accept, so I will say test case is pass. But if 0 is accept, so I will say test case is fail. Next, 500 501 499. If 499 is accept, so I will say test case is pass. But 501 is if accept, I will say test case is fail. Okay, so I will just test with this six scenario. Next, what is the decision table testing? It's important and prop- very properly understand this point. Decision table testing. Using decision table to represent combination of inputs. Using decision table represent of combination input. Represent combination of input. Using decision table. Using. So I will use a decision table to represent the combination of input and their corresponding of output, ensuring comprehensive coverage. See, using decision table. So we have a decision table. So using this decision table and then represent then represent the combination of input and corresponding the output, combination of input and corresponding the output using decision table, combination of input corresponding of output, ensuring the coverage, comprehensive coverage. Okay, come this step. For apply, oh, okay, no, for sale, for discount, for discount in Amazon. Amazon. How will do the decision and how will be the calculate when developer will develop the discount feature, how developer will calculate, how developer will calculate when implement the discount feature. Suppose customer is prime member, prime member. Okay, customer is prime member by above 2000 will get 60% discount. Customer is not prime member, not prime member by above 2000 get 60%. Customer is prime member by above 1000 get, sorry, this will be 60%, not 50%. This will be 40%. And customer is not prime member by above 1000 get 30%. Understand what is the scenario? Will follow the tester. Customer is prime member by above 2000 get 60% discount. Customer is not prime member by above 2000 get 50% discount. Customer is prime member by above 1000 get 40% discount, and customer is not prime member above 1000 will get 30% discount. So these four rule will be applied and will be made. This is the decision table condition, and these four we will make is a tabular format, means table format. Then we will test, and then we will write the pass. After we will ensure which rule is work and which rule is not work. Okay. So each column in the decision table represent a unique combination of conditions and the corresponding action which can be translated into test cases. Here are the test case. Already I have said decision table is a powerful way to represent complex business logic. When we represent the business logic, obviously discount feature is a business logic, and when complex business logic will represent, decision table is the powerful way and ensure comprehensive testing coverage by breaking down the decision criteria and corresponding actions into a table format. Okay. Now come to this step. What is the state transition testing? Validating the software behavior under different states and transitions. The software behavior validate under different states and transition. Understand? Different software, different state and transition of software behavior, especially for system with complex step changes. Okay. So validating the software behavior under between the state and transition. Okay, so what is the example for OTP purposes? Okay, leave for wallet balance. Okay, I have a wallet balance 500. Okay, 500. Okay, 2000. Okay, wallet balance 2000, but my wallet balance not have 2000 anytime. Okay, just is the example, and now I have the pay later credit card, debit card. So wallet balance is not use. Okay, this is the just example I'll say. So I choose a shirt. Okay, that price that price is 500. Okay, so I purchase the shirt and ensure the 500 deducted from 2000. I have a wallet balance 2000. I will choose the shirt from Flipkart or Amazon. The price is 500 and I purchase the shirt. Then I will ensure the 500 is deducted from 2000 if I use payment wallet balance. If I choose payment wallet balance, so I choose a shirt, that price is 500. I purchase the shirt, ensure the 500 is deducted from 2000. Enter. I choose a shirt, that price is 180. So 180. One second. Now wallet balance 1500. Okay, and then I choose a shirt, that price that price is 1800. Okay, and I purchase the shirt using wallet balance and ensure display will be you have not you have not enough balance. Okay, because why the I choose a shirt from Mintra, the price is 1800, the shirt, and I purchased the shirt using wallet balance, but I What is the state transition? State transition is the validating the software behavior different state and transition. Validating the software of different state and transition. Okay, so suppose I purchase from Flipkart or Amazon or Mintra, and I using for payment the wallet balance. Okay, so it's a wallet balance, suppose 2000, but not mine wallet balance have 2000. Okay, and nowadays wallet balance is not used anyone because have a pay later, credit card, EMI. Okay, so not using, but wallet balance option available of all sites. Okay, so wallet balance have 2000, and I choose a shirt that price 500. Okay, and I purchase this shirt. After ensure the wallet balance is deducted 500. If 500 deducted, so what will be the actually balance? 1000 on 1500. Okay, so now my wallet balance have 2000 minus 500, it's the 1500. Why? I choose a shirt that price 500. I purchase this shirt. After I ensure wallet balance is deducted 500. Next, I choose a shirt that price. Okay, already I have shirt. Choose a pant, jeans, jeans. That price 1800. Okay, and I purchase this shirt. After ensure that display your you have not you have not enough balance. Why? Because I have a balance 1500. So if I price the 1800 and I purchase these jeans, so I will ensure that display will be you have not enough balance. Okay, next I choose a smartwatch. Smartwatch that price is 1500. Okay, and I purchase this smartwatch. After ensure the price 1500, 1500 and I purchase this smartwatch. After ensure the price 1500, 1500 and I purchase this smartwatch. After ensure the price 1500, 1500 and I purchase this smartwatch. After ensure the price 1500, 1500 and I purchase this smartwatch. After ensure the price uh, ensure wallet balance is deducted 1500. Okay, so what will be now my balance? 1500. Now my this has 0. Okay, then I choose a same smartwatch for my brother and my sister. Okay, and I I added 1500. Then I open same page same page from mobile and from desktop against same ID. Understand? I choose a smartwatch that price is 1500. I purchase the smartwatch. Ensure wallet balance is deducted 1500. My now wallet balance is 0. Then again I choose same smartwatch for my brother and sister and I added only 1500. But what will be the smartwatch price? 1500. Two smartwatch 3000, but I added only 1500. I open same page, same mm, uh, ID, but different system, mobile and desktop. Then I purchase the smartwatch from mobile. Okay, ensure your uh, ensure the purchase is done. Okay, and I purchase this and I purchase this from desktop for my brother. I purchase the smartwatch from, okay, already I have said from mobile phone. Okay, purchase this smartwatch. Already one smartwatch I have for me, and I want to purchase two smartwatch for my brother and sister, and I added 1500 and I open same page from mobile and from desktop. Okay, and I purchase this smartwatch from mobile. Okay, I purchased this smartwatch from mobile for my brother, not my sister. Only my brother I purchased this smartwatch from mobile. After I will ensure my purchase is done. But my sister smartwatch I have not purchased till now. Okay. So my desktop opens same ID. Okay. Now I will purchase from desktop same smartwatch against the wallet balance. What will actually see? Ensure that the you have not enough balance. Understand? This my two system and same page I same same page of smartwatch of SW and same ID. Okay, and this also the desktop same page of SW and same ID. Okay, okay, and I purchase this smartwatch from mobile phone and my wallet balance, and after I will ensure my purchase is done. Okay, after and for for my brother for my brother for my brother I already purchased the smartwatch and ensure the purchase is done. For my sister I want to purchase another smartwatch from desktop. When I will buy from desktop, ensure from from the desktop. When I will buy that, ensure my SW. When ensure my account have not enough balance. Understand? What is the actually criteria for this? I will try. I will add balance of my wallet one time after same product I buy it for one time and at a time. Okay, what is the criteria for these test cases? Criteria is the when I will buy any product against of one time add balance, against of one time add balance when I will buy any two product, not one product, against of one time balance add I will buy two product, that time should be not working properly. If working properly, so that test case is failed and fixing from development team. Understand? When I will buy two product against of one time add balance, so that time should be display error and not working properly. Okay, and business logic it is the it is the business logic. So what is the actually two business logic? Decision table testing and state transition testing. Okay, so what is the definition of decision table testing? Using decision table representing of tabular format for complex business logic. This is the decision table. And what is the state transition? State transition is the validate software of behavior, different state and transition. It is also complex business logic. So what is the two business logic I will follow when I write the test case? One is the decision table and another is the state transition. Decision table, it's the tabular format and it's the representative of complex complex business logic, and state transition is the dif- software behavior, validated software behavior, different of state and transition. Next, what is the error guessing? Error guessing is the leveraging the tester's experience to guess potential error prone areas. Experienced tester, when we will test any areas, the experienced tester can identify early the defect. Suppose development team many time defect the sign up section text field is name accept. Okay, and when same product will add to cart, the individually will be added instead of update quantity. And when add the cart product after individually added, price is not updated. After apply coupon code, the price is not discounted di- discount. So those error developer when implement the software can be defect. Okay, so experienced tester guess potential these error prone areas, designing test cases accordingly. Okay, so what is the techniques of manual testing? This part I have done. Total 7 techniques when I will write the test case in manual testing. Okay, so next session I will discuss best practice and challenges. Thank you so much.